Walls are often the final piece of a design project, yet they are the essential connection between a space and the people who inhabit it. When a beautiful room has quiet walls, it is an opportunity to bring the design to life. Meet Wall is Well, a platform curated specifically for interior designers and space professionals. We provide a bridge to fine art photography, organized by collections, moods, visual styles, and cover palettes to help you find the perfect match for your vision. We move beyond random prints. Every image in our library belongs to a clear, narrative-driven collection. This allows you to design with true intent, transforming empty walls into meaningful parts of your overall story. It's built so you can match photography to the emotional tone and visual language of your project. Quality is at the core of our craft. We focus on archival-grade printing, controlled color, and sizes that work with real walls. Every piece is printed on Hahnemühle fine art papers, the Rolls-Royce standard in art papers, so the texture and longevity match the care you've put into the rest of the project. Think of Wall is Well as a photography-focused art partner. You define the project mood, palette, and budget. Using walliswell.com, you or your team filter and shortlist art. Then we help refine selections, advise on sizes and pairings, and support printing and logistics. You design the space, we help the walls speak. Imagine a home where nature imagery reflects the family's loves. A clinic where a gentle flower eases anxiety. A cafe where candid streets or landscapes become part of the vibe. An office where bold, curated imagery reinforces the brand and energizes the team. When wall art is chosen with story and mood in mind, clients don't just see the space, they feel it belongs to them. Ready to bring your client's story to their walls? Visit walliswell.com to explore our collections and select Partner with Us. Start with your next project and discover how easy it is to elevate your design.